Hi there and welcome. Today we'll show you how to set up the nearest airport, railway station, and bus stand distances for your booking engine page. Let's get started. First, log in to your Bookingjini channel manager. On the left-hand side menu, click on Booking Engine. Next, go to the Locations tab. Here you can enter the name and distance of the nearest airport, railway station, and bus stand from your hotel. Want to add more than one station? Just click on the Add button to include multiple entries. Once you're done, don't forget to click Save to store the information. And that's it. You've now successfully configured the location details for your booking engine page. If you need help or run into any issues, our support team is just a message away. We're always here to assist. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.